Welcome to the Vegas Vegan. Today I have a great recipe for you.
Strawberry nice cream. This is a family favorite. Everyone loves this quick and easy to do recipe. It's healthy and it hits the spot.
Hit that like, hit that subscribe. Let's go.
You scream, I scream, we all scream for nice cream. And here's my recipe, quick, easy, and healthy, straight from my kitchen to yours. So you begin by rinsing your organic number 9 fresh strawberries and you place them in a freezer bag. And I've reserved a few for decoration as well because I want to decorate my nice cream bowl. But this only takes an hour for them to freeze up in the freezer. You can also see 2 trays of coconut milk, and they're in these ice cube trays, and that's my secret to nice cream. Now, while the strawberries are freezing, I'm preparing my toppings. You can choose any toppings you'd like. I highly recommend Enjoy Life chocolate chips. They're allergen friendly. They're vegan certified. I'll leave a link in my description box, but here I'm using some of the chocolate chips, shredded coconut, and strawberry garnish. Now, if you're liking this video so far, don't forget to hit that like and that subscribe button and share with a friend. Now that everything is frozen, this recipe comes together within minutes. We've got our frozen coconut milk, 2 trays, and we've got our frozen strawberries, some vanilla silk yogurt, and we're gonna put all of this into our Ninja, and we're gonna blend. So I'm adding as a thickening agent some vanilla vegan yogurt, and then I'm adding 1 tray of the coconut ice cubes or coconut milk cubes, and that's gonna make it really thick. Then I'm taking my organic number 9 frozen strawberries. Please use quality products. The end result is gonna be night and day different, so don't buy the number 4s. Buy the number 9s. Your nice cream is going to be the bomb dealio. Here I'm adding 1/4 cup of the coconut milk just to make it easier to blend, but you know, next time I'm going to try without and see if I get a thicker product. We'll see. I'll keep you posted. But anyways, I'm just going to mix this up. This is what it looks like. I took a taste and it tastes really tart. So I'm going to add some bar syrup, just a teaspoon to this whole batch so it's still healthy. I do have a recipe for making my own batch of vegan keto simple syrup by using monk fruit sugar. Super healthy. So check that out in my margarita video. We're adding an entire 2nd tray of the coconut cubes, and this is going to make it really like an ice cream substance. Really thick, really frozen, really delicious. And look how pretty. It's getting pinker and pinker and pinker. Now look at that. That looks like ice cream, y'all. I'm so excited. You can get the kids involved making this. It's really fun to get them involved with knowing where their food comes from and making simple, fun recipes. I just love eating this. It's so delicious, it's so healthy, and it's summertime. So who doesn't want to have nice cream in the summer? It's so pretty. Anyway, give me your thoughts. Let me know if you've tried this recipe out or if you want to. Then it's all about decorating, and you can literally make this recipe your own with your decorations. You can decorate it any way you want. You can even add your ingredients like your berries or your toppings inside of the ice cream. I just didn't want to add too many, making sure that it doesn't melt. But there you have it. Strawberry nice cream for your hot summer day, a healthy, wonderful snack. Not ready to go yet? Check out my strawberry margarita video or any one of my other videos for restaurant recipes veganized.
I hope you like this video. Keep watching, keep subscribing, keep sharing, and I'll see you next time on the Vegas Vegan.
Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Vegas Vegan for life.